Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're going to start with the pronunciation skill, Unit 3, Medicine and Poetry. So if you're ready, let's get started. Pronunciation. Emphatic stress. When we want to emphasize certain information in a sentence, we stress that part. Note, we usually stress the keywords in sentences such as nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs.
Listen to this sentence. The stress can go on 4 different parts. We need to be at the meeting at 4 o'clock. We need to be at the meeting at 4 o'clock. We need to be at the meeting at 4 o'clock. We need to be at the meeting at 4 o'clock. We need to be at the meeting at 4 o'clock.
The different stresses change the meaning. What does that mean? Let's see this exercise. Match the meanings below to the stress points 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to be at the meeting at 4 o'clock. The meeting is at 4, not 5. So the stress is on the word 4. You and I have to be there at 4, but the others don't. So here we're stressing the word we, which means number 1. We need to be at the meeting, so we must arrive at the building earlier. Here we're stressing the word need, so number 2. The meeting is at 4, not the match. Here we're stressing the word meeting, so it's number 3. Now let's move on to question C.
Listen to the following sentences. Mark the main stress, then choose the correct ending of each sentence. Number 1. I live at number 11 Johnson Street.
So it means not my brother, not number 12, not Oxford Street. C.
Number 2. Alison used to be a singer.
Not a piano player, but she isn't now. Not Mike. C.
Number 3. The news is on Channel 1 now.
Not later, not the film, not Channel 3. A. Not later. Now let's move on to the activity book.
Listen to these sentences. Place stress according to the meaning. 1. Did Frank buy a motorbike yesterday? No, Frank bought a car yesterday. 2. Did David teach at London University for 10 years? No, David taught at London University for 3 years.
'Match the correct sentence to its implied meaning according to the words in italics. Peter told John that a deal like this wasn't allowed. It clarifies that Peter, as opposed to someone else, told John not to make the deal. Number 2. Peter told John that a deal like this wasn't allowed. A. It clarifies that John was told not to make the deal, not someone else. Three. Peter told John that a deal like this wasn't allowed. D. It emphasizes the fact that John had been told not to make the deal, but did so anyway. Number 4. Peter told John that a deal like this wasn't allowed. C. It emphasizes that Peter said that the deal was not allowed, indicating that John thought or said the opposite. That's everything for today. Thank you very much. See you next lesson.